In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a Yahoo email account that's been added to your Gmail account. This is a helpful skill to have if you've decided to streamline your email management or simply want to declutter your inbox by removing accounts you no longer need to have linked. Let's dive right in and make this process as straightforward as possible. Start by opening your Gmail account in your preferred web browser. Log in with your credentials if you're not already signed in. Once you're signed in, look for the gear icon, which is located in the upper right-hand corner of the Gmail interface. This is your settings menu, and it's the gateway to customizing your Gmail account just the way you like it. Click on this gear icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. You should see an option labeled See All Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This will direct you to a new page that contains various tabs with multiple settings options for your Gmail experience. What you're looking for specifically is the tab called Accounts and Import. Click on this tab, and you'll be taken to a page that deals with account connections and data import preferences. Now, under the Accounts and Import tab, there will be a section titled Check Mail from Other Accounts. Here, you'll see a list of all the external email accounts that are linked to your Gmail. Find the Yahoo email address that you want to remove. Next to this Yahoo email address, there should be a Delete link. Clicking on this will prompt Gmail to no longer import emails from your Yahoo account. This is a crucial step, as it will stop new emails from automatically being imported from Yahoo into your Gmail account. To confirm that you no longer want this incoming mail, a small window may pop up asking you to confirm your decision. Verify that you intend to remove this account connection and proceed with the deletion. Once you confirm, Gmail will no longer pull emails from your Yahoo account, thus effectively removing its presence from your Gmail scope. It's worth mentioning that this action doesn't delete your Yahoo email account, it just disengages Gmail from fetching emails from it. If at any point you wish to relink your Yahoo account to Gmail, you can simply follow the process of adding an email account, a topic for another time. In conclusion, removing a Yahoo email from Gmail is as simple as adjusting a few settings. It doesn't require any technical expertise, just a few clicks and you have a more personalized and efficient email setup. I hope this guide was helpful and provided clear instructions for managing your email effectively.